How to distinguish the material of different packing bags? Common packing bags are made of PET and PE. Bags made only by PE will be very soft, easy to be contrast, and cannot to printed in larger areas. Adding PET can solve this problem. The bag will be more firm and stiffer, and the printed content will be more finesse, such as this bag. The cut paper bags usually have a composite plastic film inside and outside. The inner layer is usually component with FBA-approved food-grade PE or CPP. It can come into direct contact with the food. It looks more environmentally and friendly. Some products often need to be stored in the dark, so aluminum foil bags are the best packing bags. Aluminum foil bags often provide better sealing, oxygen withdrawal, and lighter protection, and prolong product stronger time.